Summer camp for dogs turns out to be summer camp for you because you get out in nature and look where we are. Castle Lake in Mount Shasta. Alpine Lake. Gorgeous, no motors except for the ones pumping up kayaks that sound horrible. Here's my canine. She's smelling everything, so she is excited to be here. See, when you take your dog into nature, they smell all kinds of things, and they love it. So we've had quite a time here. Summer camp at the ocean, then we went up to the mountains, and we're going to start on our walking path. Okay, so Kelly and I are at the the lake, on her summer camp sojourn, like I was telling you. It's important to get out with your canine to have time together. So this is bear country, but take your dog out in nature because she's completely in wonderment right now. Look at her. Kelly, come here. Kelly, come here. Here you go, girl. Canines at summer camp.